Oh my gosh. Have you ever noticed how one yawn sigh turns into a yawning apocalypse? I mean, it's like suddenly everyone's yawning. It's totally dramatic, right? And here's the thing. Blame your brain's mirror neurons. Those little copycats are like, oh, that looks fun. Let's do it too. I mean, how cheeky is that, right? But listen, you're not lazy. You're just emotionally synced. Isn't that just the best? I mean, really, emotionally synced. And let's not forget, even dogs do it. It's called contagious yawning, and it's a sign of empathy. Oh, how sweet is that? It's just so heartwarming. Oh my gosh, scientists have this wild theory, right? It's totally not about oxygen. It's about social bonding. Like a sleepy group hug. Can you just picture it? A big old cozy cuddle party. Now, here's the challenge, my friends. Try not to yawn while watching this. I dare you. And get this. Yawning equals empathy, plus mirror neurons, plus social glue. Science never looked so sleepy. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? So, next time someone yawns, just know your brain's being a good friend. Yawning together, the most underrated team building exercise ever. How amazing is that?